Hello and welcome to Helen Newman Hall. My name is Brigitta. I'm the Director of Aquatics at Cornell, and today I'm going to be letting you know how to go about participating in an open lap swim at Cornell. Let's go. Upon arriving at Helen Newman or Teagle, we'll check in with the issue room employee. I'll give them my Cornell ID. They'll swipe it, and in exchange I'll get a pool tag, and depending on my privileges, a towel. Okay, next we're going to head into the locker rooms. You'll find the men's room straight ahead at Helen Newman and the women's room to the left at Helen Newman. Before we enter the locker room, Ruth will be covering the lens, but she'll also be giving you some important information about memberships and swimming at Cornell.
So in order to swim at Cornell, you either have to be an active Cornell student and show your student ID, or if you're staff, faculty, a retiree, or spouse or partner, you need to have an active wellness recreation membership. That membership comes with pool service and towel service. If you're a student though and want to have a towel, you have to purchase a towel membership, which you can do so online or at our main office. Now once you come to swim, be sure to bundle up all of your belongings and either lock them up in a locker with a lock or bring them with you onto the pool deck. One more thing that all swimmers have to do before they're able to swim is rinse off. This keeps our pool filters nice and clean. Now Brigitta's going to tell you a few things about the different pools at Cornell before we show you the Helen Newman pool.
In case you are curious about the chemistry of our pools, think big bromine. Our large pools at both Helen Newman and Teagle are treated with bromine. Our small pool at Teagle is going to be chlorine. The pool temperatures are kept anywhere between 78 and 82 degrees, so we keep our large Teagle pool around 78 to 79, the small Teagle pool about 80, and Helen Newman a balmy 82 degrees. Rinsey, rinsey.
Now I'm going to uncover the lens to show you the door to the pool.
So before entering, we've rinsed off, check. We have our pool tag to show the lifeguard, and we're in approved swimwear. Let's go. As we enter the pool deck, we'll be greeted by one of our friendly lifeguards.
Hi.
They can assist us in finding the proper lane to swim in, given our abilities. At Helen Newman, we swim fastest and most experienced people in lane 1. As we come closer to lane 6, we have our slower, less experienced, or different ability swimmers. Fred, would you like to tell us about swimming?
Swimming, we swim in a counterclockwise pattern, which means you get into the lane and swim in a circle with your right shoulder close to either the lane line or the side of the pool, depending on where you are. And if you need to pass somebody, you should pass by moving to the middle of the lane.
If we have any belongings, we can go ahead and leave them on one of the benches at the pool, and then we can head down to the deep or shallow end, making sure feet first only entry. Enjoy your swim.